समर्पयामि स्नानाङ्गमाचमनीयं समर्पयामि वस्त्र यज्ञो भवीत அங்க பாரு இந்தாங்கோ இந்தாங்கோ மாமிக்கு போடுமா நீங்க அங்க அப்படியே பெருமாளை காமிச்சிருங்க அம்மா. ஓம் ह्रीश्चते लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्यौ अहोरात्रे वाश्वे नक्षत्राणि लक्ष्मीश्च पत्न्यौ अहोरात्रे वाश्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपा अश्विनौ व्यात्तम् ज्येष्ठं मर्धान अमुं मर्धान सर्वमणिः
ராகு கேது இல்லையா கல்யாணம் பண்ண வந்தா ராகு கேது இருந்தாதான் வெளில எப்ப ராகு கேது வெளில போய்
வந்து மாட்டு பொண்ணுதான். நான் வந்து இந்தியாவில் எவ்வளோ நான் ரொம்ப பயந்துட்டே மாட்டேன். ஒன்றும் இல்லாம நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். நானும் வேலை பண்ணேன். போஸ்டர்ல நான் தான் ஒட்டினேன்.
சாமி சாமி என்னதான் நீங்க பண்ணாலும் அவளுக்கு தான் தெரியும் போகும். கல்யாணம்
மாமாவுக்கு போட்டு விடுங்க. அங்கே பார்த்துருங்க, அவளை பார்த்துருங்க. நீங்கள் போட்டு விடுங்க மாமா.
बध्नामि सुभगे संजीव परदत्तम मंगलम भगवान विष्णु मंगलम गरुडध्वजः मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्षो मंगलाय तनो हरिः
ஆழ்வார் ராமரை சொல்றார். எங்க சித்திரகூடத்தை பார்த்துட்டு ராமருக்கு திருமங்கை ஆழ்வார் சொல்ற என்னாக்க நாகப்பட்டினம் போய் என்ன அச்சோ ஒருவர் அழகியவாக ரொம்ப ஆசுரங்கள் தான் நிதானமா பாடினா அந்த காலத்துல நமக்காக இந்த காலத்துக்காகவே 5000 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி
to my brother Durai on his 80th birthday, and also the blessings to his wife Subha, son and daughter-in-law Kishan and Bharati, grandchildren Shreya and Raghav. To all of them, my wholehearted blessings for their prosperity and health. And when I think of his childhood, he was about 3 or 4 years old when వాడు ఎప్పుడు పక్కింటికి వెళ్తానంటాడు. He used to be dressed in white khadi kurta and pajama and also a Nehru cap. He used to look like a typical Dorai, so my grandma called him Dorai, and we also followed. He used to go to their house, and the neighbor was none other than the famous Carnatic music vidwan D.K. Pattamal, and she was very affectionate towards him. And he used to go there and they used to ask him to tell stories. And he would say, oh, the crow came and then the cat ran that way. And suddenly, another dog started barking. Whatever, he used to mix that. And then suddenly, there was heavy wind and storm, and the trees shook like anything, and up in the sky the plane started going. Yes, that's all my story, and they all used to laugh and clap like that. He was so playful and intelligent. Then later on in his school days also he was very hardworking and sincere. During weekends he used to go and play cricket. He was interested in sports also. And subsequently, during his official life, he used to work hard and he was very honest and sincere, hardworking. No wonder the superiors were very impressed. And in his personal life also he is a very religious person. He used to visit temples. He had made lot of charity, given and spent lot in charities and helping nature. After retirement too, he couldn't be lazy, so he started his own business, and for which he was always planning and touring. And at this point of time, I should say, we are proud that his wife joined him. She gave him a lot of cooperation, and she was managing the business, and he was touring. She used to take care of him and also his business. So very glad, proud of her too. And so I say, he's a very hard-working person, and may God bless him with all prosperity and health. Thank you.